My sourdough is fully proofed. It is now time to score it. Let me show you how I'm going to score it.
Right, here it is. This is my beautiful loaf. It's covered with some corn flour. And then I just got this new scorer, and the blades came in this really cool, nifty little envelopes. I have a bunch of extra blades, and then the blade will be stored in here once I get the blade on. Let's put it on. All right, so I got the blade out, and then I'm just putting it on this thing. I have to be really careful because it's super thin. I'm just gonna like put the blade through this. Just a little tough. Okay, perfect. And there you have it. All right, and let's score this little guy. So I like to score my bread at an angle so that maybe if I'm lucky, I'll get an ear. Okay, here we go. Wow, this is like one of the best scores I've ever had. Plus a clean blade works so cool and like so much better than a non-clean blade. All right, let's just put some little cute scores in there. And I cannot wait to see this guy rise. Again, this is such an awesome score. Highly recommend it. Comes with a bunch of extra blades, which are needed. And then I will put my little tip in there so it won't cut anyone as it stores.